Assalamialaikum. How have you been? Hope you are well by the grace of Allah. This is our practice number 2 video. Today we will talk about our clothes. So without wasting time, let's start talking about your cloth choice. The number one question is, what types of clothes do you like? Actually, I like Punjabi, t-shirt and very simple dresses. The second question is, why do you prefer this type of clothes? Especially I prefer this type of clothes because it's very pleasurable for me, because I feel very good and I look smart. That's why I prefer this type of dress. And especially I do not like any types of color, that means black, yellow or blue. But whenever I go to buy a dress, at that time if I wear the dress, whatever that color, if I look beautiful, then this color, then this dress is perfect for me. Third question is, tell me something about your traditional clothes. So as a Muslim, our traditional clothes is Punjabi, because it's worn by our leader, the great leader Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. That's why our traditional clothes is Punjabi, and it's very simple dress because it's very easily to wear and it feel you very comfort. Number fourth question is, what is the importance of traditional clothes? It is very important of traditional clothes because it's sign of our culture, it's sign of our religion. So this is for today. You can practice in your home about your clothes, what types of dress you like. You can practice in your home by saying in front of mirror or in your mind. So this is for today, and keep supporting me and practice your home and stay with me till then. Allah Hafiz.